Good, what's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I really want to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk about today being another payment Friday. TCP just paid, my econ paid. I put up a video showing that, guys, and I just wanted to show you that this is real proof, guys, that this stuff works. Literally, and I put together a free program outside of my econ, guys. So this is for people that want to test drive the program or want to test drive the system first. No, it's not free, okay? So just to give you a heads up, I don't have anything that's completely free for you to join. Usually there's no value in those type of programs. If you're going to join something free, usually, it requires, that's usually the surveys and stuff like that, man. And I don't do that because that really doesn't generate the type of income that I want to generate. So I like to focus on affiliate products. I like to focus on things that people will need. Necessarily, it's not a flavor of the week, not necessarily something that someone's only doing as of right now. It's none of that. It's literally me pretty much, having something that everyone's needing. Now, the difference is that I chose to be in a space to where, regardless of what program that you're involved in, my opportunity pretty much works for you. And that's what I love about the particular system that I put together, because I put together a system that is it has a marketing system and an incentive package pretty much together, and both earns you a residual income. One earns you a 50% residual income, the other one earns you a 40% residual income. Okay, now the reason I say that these are evergreen type of programs, because the marketing system, you can literally market and promote to any business. Someone's calling me. Literally, you can literally use this marketing system to promote any business that you're in. So if you're in weight loss, you can use this particular marketing system. If you're in health and wellness, whatever, coffee, make money online. If you have a car pro, any business, okay, any type of niche of business that you have, pretty much you can utilize this system, and you can build marketing. You can actually build sales funnels around your business. And for you guys that don't know what a sales funnel is something that promotes your business. It sells and tells your business, does all the follow-ups, pretty much works on autopilot for you. You just have to set everything up. And that's literally what you can do with this particular business. So that's what I have done. I've actually been in all my programs. I utilize this system, and I have other marketing systems as well. But this one here is my #1 system. It's very user friendly, and I recommend people utilizing it. So like I mentioned, whatever business you're in. So if you're an organo go, like I said, you have coffee and you want to generate more leads, we show you how to do that with this system, as well as you can purchase leads in our back office, which these are people that have expressed interest as far as making money online or working from home. Now, also with this system, we just rolled out an app that allows you to contact the people. So as soon as they join your business or whatever page that you have out there that you're marketing and promoting, you can reach out to them right away through your app. It allows you to call, email, text, literally right on the spot. Okay, so that's what I love about that. They just released that, guys, as well. Now, the thing about this program, it is $50 a month. You're going to earn a $25 residual income to each person that you refer. Okay, now you can try it out for 7 days free. So that's why I mentioned it. With this business, you don't need any money up front. I'm actually letting you try everything out for free. Okay, outside of that, I also have a incentive program that's associated with it, where you can actually give away vacation and dinners. Okay, so I can give you, so let's say you wanted to offer someone a $100 voucher, pretty much, where they can actually dine on us. Okay, so you can give them a $100 voucher. Now, just as an FYI, it will be a $7 activation fee, but I can actually give away free vacations, and I can give away dinners. Okay, now the vacations are a little different than dinners, but we pretty much allow you to give away these things. So depending on whatever business, or not even depending, whatever business you're in. So if you have a dealership, like I said, these are brick and mortar and online businesses that you can use. So you can offer incentives for people to come into your business. You can offer incentives for people to take surveys. You can offer incentives for people to like your posts. You can offer incentives for people to just even view your business. Okay, and that's the thing about this. So you have two programs that you can actually test drive for free, 7 days free. Okay, now advertising, the advertising program, it is $47 up front, and you're going to earn a $40 commission off of that $47 when you refer someone. So 50 and 40% commissions that you're able to earn, and these are residual. So these are not monthly one-time fees and you're done. It's a residual income and you're able to earn this, okay? So I wanted to put this information out there and let you guys know what you can actually have and the system that I put together for you to utilize. I put together multiple videos just kind of showing you exactly what all I'm doing, guys, and I want you to check it out, okay? Now, as I mentioned, TCP, they paid, my econ is paid. So these are two programs that are residual incomes that pay out on Friday. So that's why I call this the paid on Fridays funnel. So if you are already in TCP and you wanted to look into my econ, I already have a sales funnel already made for both of the programs. If you're not involved in either one and you want to be involved in both of those, then I'm going to leave a sales funnel for you to check out at the bottom of this video and see how I put that together. Now with this funnel here, this is strictly my free funnel. So this is for your people that want to test drive this system. Now again, I offer things that do not take you away from your business. As I mentioned, I want you to be focused. So the marketing system, you can build around your business. The incentive program, you can offer people incentives to join your business. Any educational training is going to be marketing. As I mentioned, you want to give yourself 6 to 12 months, okay, 6 months to a year to learn business. You want to educate yourself, okay? When you go to college, you buy books, okay? Same thing. When you go to your job give you job aids. They give you different things to show you how to do your training or your job. So it's the same exact thing. You're going to have training. You're going to learn. Technology changes, so you never stop learning, okay? The industry as far as jobs goes, guys, is completely changing. Okay, so that's why you're seeing more and more people like me popping up online explaining to you guys what's out here and what you can do, and you just have to lock in. You have to take action. Now, shout out to everybody that has joined me in my programs, guys. I definitely appreciate you, locking arms with me. And as I mentioned, if you have joined me, reach out to me, please, so I can actually help you out. If there's any questions or concerns that you have, reach out to me. I will not know what's going on with you. I don't know if you're a skilled marketer. I don't know if you don't want anybody's help. I won't know that information. Forgive me, guys. My phone's trying to focus. I won't know that information. So what I'm asking you to do, if you do need help, I encourage you to reach out to me. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to get going in any of these businesses or any programs that you do look at. But right now, I'm only talking about my free funnel. So I'm offering my assistance. You're going to have me. So definitely, guys, if there's anything, any questions or anything that you have, reach out to me. So if you've not taken advantage of this program, I definitely want you to take advantage of it, man, and see exactly what I'm talking about as well, okay? Join the masses. There's a free, you're going to be involved in all my Facebook groups that these programs are involved in. Another thing as well, you get a training inside of the business, guys. It's going to cover Facebook ads in depth. It's going to cover Instagram ads, and it's going to cover YouTube ads. I already give you a free ads training, but this is just something to just let you know how bad we want you to succeed, where we're going to teach you how to do these things. You don't have to depend on family and friends. When you join business with us, we don't teach you to go join your family. We don't teach you to go talk to your family and friends up front, because they're going to be the first ones to tell you this is not going to work. Why don't you get a real job? Go get a second job if that's the case, because that's the way people are conditioned. We're not going to do any of that. We're going to teach you how to go and find people that are interested in making money online. So now, one thing you need to do is reach out to these people with your business. And if you don't know what to say, we literally have training showing you what to say, what to if you need to leave a message, if you need to text them, if you need to email or leave video emails. Always an awesome thing to do. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up, guys. I would love to have you on my team, okay? I'm just gonna put it out there. I would love to have you on my team. If you're watching this video, I want to lock arms with you. So I want to help. Okay, so it's Friday. It's free. This is a free system to check out. So just check it out. All right. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.